there seems to be a connection between the elements of nature and the spiritual life or the soul. When we say elements are somehow the companions of our life, could you please give us an example for this?
A question is, elements are companion of our life. What does it mean? And what is the practical example for that? Elements of nature. There are 5 main elements of nature which are known as earth, water, fire, air, and ether. That is the sky or ether, we can call it in spiritual language. Earth is also, people say that the body is composed of earth. And these 5 elements are actually very important. Within these 5 elements, each element has a property which is connected with the organs of our body. In fact, these 5 elements are very closely connected with each individual human being, with each animal as well. And we are living in the world of elements, in the nature. We are not only walking on the earth, but in fact our body is composed of earth. We are not only drinking water or swimming in the ocean or enjoying the flow of the rivers, but 80% of water is in our body, blood and water. We are not enjoying just the fresh air up in the mountains, but every breath we take in, we breathe out. The person cannot survive without the air. When the doors are closed, we say, please, can you open the window? It's so much suffocation. It's closeness, connection with us, fresh air. Even in a spiritual way, I want some fresh air. It means a breath of joy is also connected with that. It's freedom. One needs freedom in life, and that's also connected. The element, the property of earth is freedom and lightness. Fire, heat in the body, is also very important. Our temperature of the body is what is keeping us healthy. Temperature goes down, we become weak. It's balanced energy. Ether, it's the sound, which is called akasha. The parts of the body which are open, I can hear when my ears are not blocked. I can speak when I open my mouth. I can breathe in when my nostril, this way canal is clear. So in fact the body system and our organs, the sight, eyes, the sound, the ear, the touch, the feelings. So everything is connected with this body. And when we become sick, Ayurvedic people in the Veda treat the body again, giving the right element, the balance treatment through the bringing harmony with the elements. And so 5 elements are our close companion, and I would say, in fact, these 5 elements are the life partner life partner, because the body is composed of earth, flesh and bones, that is part of the earth, water, fire, air and ether. All the chemical and molecules are actually connected with these 5 elements. Our body organs function with the balance of 5 elements. A wonderful property each element has. So the moment the living energy wanted to express itself, needs matter. So I call these 5 elements, a body is my life partner. The other life partner may come in life according, maybe if it is 10 years, 20 years age, 25 years age, or earlier or later, or after, at the time of marriage, the partner is partner and can go before. It's not that both are living long life at the same time. But real life partner is this body of 5 elements. And this is very faithful. My body, your body, which is composed of 5 elements, is so faithful that it does not leave me. Me, the soul, leaves the body, but the body does not leave the soul. The body is dead, sitting there. The soul is gone. So this body, 5 elements are so faithful to the person, the soul, the living energy. So this is why in Sanskrit, in the Gita, it is said, it is the beautiful play of mind and matter, or Purush and Prakriti. Prakriti means nature, the elements, and Purush means the soul. The soul and the body play a wonderful role. They are support for each other, not only partner, but support for each other. If I, the soul, want to speak, express myself, because I, the soul, have the feeling, understanding, experiencing, and I want to express myself, I need a body. And I need a body to speak. For example, if I'm speaking somewhere as a soul, as a pure energy, sitting somewhere from the sky, you must be thinking, a ghost is speaking. You need to hear something physical, sound coming through mouth. Hearing with the ears. You need ears to hear and mouth to speak, to communicate with each other. And so this physical organs, in order to feel cold and heat, I need the skin, I need the physical organs. And so this matter, the element, this is flesh and bones. It makes me aware I'm existing here. It makes me aware I can express myself. So my body is my support to express myself, to know my own value. The soul, the living energy, is like a seed, living seed. Now the value of the seed is known only when it is planted in the earth. I can have a bag of seeds of 20 seeds or 100 seeds. It is in a bag. Potential is in the seeds, but the beauty is expressed only when it is planted. And so when I, the living energy, express myself through the body, my purity, my peace, my love, my wisdom, my joy is expressed when my companion, my body, is supporting me. And so the body and the soul are lifelong companion. And body itself cannot do anything. When the soul leaves the body is dead. It is then to be cremated or to be buried. It disintegrates, it finishes, because there's no power in it. And so this is why these two working together, wonderful game and playing together. So it's body, matter is my life companion. my support. Elements makes when it's there, I am respecting them, I am healthy. All my wealth I get, it is through the natural resources. No matter what business I do, it's connected with the elements. My relationship with my friends, they are also living made of elements. So my health, wealth, my happiness, my relationships, all is actually support of the elements. The society, the life is connected with the elements. This is why it's a close friendship, companionship with the elements is very important. Om Shanti.